So this little photo set here honestly was probably the highlight for my visit to the Florida Aquarium. Before I go any further, I want you to take a second and look really closely at these little animals, and if you'll pay attention, you'll see that these wearing these kind of little backpack devices, and those are actually prosthetics. And so the problem with these leafy sea dragons is that they actually have improperly formed swim bladders. So those little backpacks are actually called buoyancy control devices, and they were designed by an engineer at the Florida Aquarium. The problem that these little leafy sea dragons were having was that they weren't able to form because their swim bladders were improperly formed. And so what this engineer did was they created these little prosthetics, and then they strapped them onto the leafy sea dragon, and they allowed this leafy sea dragon to float and move around as they would if they had properly formed swim bladders. And I thought that that was just so adorable and also really incredible that they had these kinds of engineers who were able to put the time and the money and the intellect into developing these awesome prosthetics.